show how to convert Excel file into the Azure wiki page. On my screen you can see I have Excel file. It has a tool. It's open into Excel mobile, which is free version of Excel. I don't have like complete version of Excel, and complete version is not required. So just for demonstration purposes, I have here two data spreadsheets. First is US states and second is Canada state. And I'm gonna convert this into Markdown file, which is language of Azure Wiki, and embed it into Azure. So first you can see I have this is my Azure Wiki. I'm gonna add these pages here, but first I will install application. I will go to this website. I will give you a link to the website in the description under this video, and I click on search and type Markdown, because what we need this export to Markdown, and I will click on Excel to Markdown and click on download button to start downloading. So I will install this application on my computer, and after application is installed, there is no need to install it every time I need to convert anything. I just launch app and convert whatever Excel to Markdown I need. So I click on downloaded setup, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, and click on yes on the screen and click finish. And after that I can close this and this, and you can see I have application installed on my computer, Excel to Markdown. This is what I need. So I will double click on application. I can minimize this. Double click on application to launch it. Then I need to add my Excel file. At this point, if I have Excel file opened into Excel, I should close it, because Excel is actively locking files and not allowing other application to access them. So I will close Excel I want to convert, and in Excel, and click on this button to find this Excel file I will need to convert. It's called US and Canada. US and Canada states. US and Canada, this one. Click on open, click on next step. If first row of the input file has column names, which is normally do, like in Excel, first row always has a column name, and then second row is column data, and so on. So I'll just leave it checked. Click on next step. Here I can preview Markdown generated. You can see it has created Markdown for me, or I can save result. Select save result. It's asking me for name location of the file. This name location is okay. We just click save, and file has been saved. Now if I go to my Azure and I open file I just created, it's in quick access. Should be in quick access. This is Excel to Markdown txt. I will double click on it. Then I click. I select table I need. Let's select this US state, CA state, and that's it. Right click, copy here. Right click, paste, and save. And you can see we have beautiful table converted from Excel into our spreadsheet wiki. How can I preview? Can I close it? Oh yeah. I have all US states from Alabama to Wyoming. All fields are here, and as the same as Canada states, which was in second spreadsheet. Yeah. So basically that's it. We converted our Excel into Markdown and posted into Azure Wiki, and it looks nice. And next time, if I want to convert Excel, I don't have to do it installation or anything or like this. I just double click on this, um, icon, select Excel file to convert, and then convert Excel file, and that's it. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.